Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today is Saturday the 5th of December. I'm just going to start this vlog. It will be a rolling vlog over the next couple of weeks. My partner Adam is transforming the garden. He's bought a summer house which he's going to convert into a gym to put all his stuff from the spare bedroom into there so we can get the spare bedroom cleared. Obviously we'll need that in the future. So they've just started the work now. His dad's just come round. I'll see if we can get a view from the top window. His dad's just come round to dig out the hole for the concrete. So they're just there at the moment. The concrete is getting delivered at 11. So now it's 8:30, nearly 8:25. So they've got to dig out the hole, put the wires and everything, well, not the wires, sorry, the string around the edge of the rectangle and dig it out to the right shape, ready for the concrete to be fitted in. And Sim Bob's keeping me company here. Yeah. Are we doing a good job, Sim? So we're doing the good jobs. We're just the coffee makers and the sandwich makers. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Yeah, so we get the good jobs. We're inside, we're in the warmth, making all the coffees and the sandwiches. They're having bacon and sausage sandwiches. So I'm just going to vlog the process of it so then we can look back, see where we started out, what the garden looked like before, because it's going to be Adam's little project. This is when you're thankful that you've got a Tassimo, because all you have to do is just put the pods in, because I'm not great at making teas and coffees, to be honest. So they've just got the wooden slats out of the car now. They've parked the car around the back and they're just digging the shape that the base is going to go in. And after that they're going to put the wood slats around the edge to make like a barrier, and then that's what's going to be filled with concrete to make the base. And then you can remove the wood slats after. I'm not very technical, I don't know what they're doing, so I'll try to explain it as best I can, and I'll probably video it. It'll probably be best for you to see for yourself. But Simba's going mad because Adam's outside and he can't see him. Sim! Where is he? Do you want a treat? Let's get him a bone. Here you go. Nope, he's the most fussiest dog you've ever met. Look, any other dog just eat that straight away. Where's it gone? There it is. Do you not want it? You're not having your bone? Oh, he's having it. He's giving in. He's too nosy because everyone's outside and he can't get to anyone. I've made the coffees in the old cups because I don't want to send them out with the matching cups or the Costa cups, just in case they break them in the garden. So I've given them these old cups that we had in the cupboard. But just a little tip for yourselves, if you have got a Tassimo machine, if you've ran it through and there's still space in the cup, undo the lid, put it back down and just run it again, and it'll fill the cup up to the top and you're getting as much use out of your coffee pod as you can. This is a bit of the OCD kicking in. I bought 2 tubs from Home Bargains and I put one with like washing machine pods, they're as old ones but we switched to Ariel, and one with dishwasher tablets in. So they're all kept nice and neatly there. 2 coffees ready for the workers. They're having the lattes. And they're just starting to put the wooden edge round now. They're all stressing outside at the moment because the concrete's getting delivered at 11 o'clock. It's 8:45, so they've got 2 hours to put the base up and everything and get all the top layer of the grass digging out. So I'm glad we're in here, keeping out of the way. We're keeping out of the way, aren't we, Sim? He's not interested at all, is he? But yeah, we're keeping out of the way inside while they're trying to get it sorted for 11. The countdown is on. They've made a mess of the floor, haven't they, Sim? They've made an absolute... Oh, it's muddy as anything. We're gonna have to give that a wipe. There's just mud everywhere. It's so boggy in the garden at the minute. It's literally like a mud bath in there. Because yesterday we was gonna start digging the garden and everything, ready for the concrete, but then we had a massive downpour of snow here in Yorkshire, so we didn't get a chance to start digging yesterday. That's why Adam's dad came early this morning to try and get as much as they can done before the concrete, well, I say as much as they can done, but they need to get it done before the concrete comes. So starting to build the edging now. So there's a mad rush on now because it's 10 o'clock and, well, you probably won't be able to see from here at the blinds, but you can see that massive truck down there. Yes, that's the concrete truck. So the concrete truck has turned up at 10 o'clock when we booked it for 11. And Adam also called up to try and get it knocked back half an hour because the ground, it's higher at one side than the other, so there's more digging than what they actually thought initially, so they need to dig further down. So he called up to try and knock it back, and they've turned up an hour earlier rather than knocking it back. So there's a mad rush on at the minute. They're digging as much as they can, trying to get it all done. As you can see, so it's nearly done. We'll see if they can get it done in time for 11. It's now 10:31, so just past 10:30, and they've got all the boundary on. They've got the visqueen down, and they've got the border up, ready for the concrete to go in. So we're making progress there.
Don't worry about wood being a bit bored, it's when you get concrete off you.
Concrete's going.
Hard work.
No, I'll leave it to you lot. I'm waiting for the big car.
Over £2 for all this, it's actually worth it. I won't be using it, will I?
Get into a bar. Right, stereo wall.
And we're off. Oh, this is funny. The race is on. Oh. Oh, Adam's here, careful.
What?
That's it from the outside. Upstairs at the front. We'll go. Looks like a bomb's gone off in here because of all the Christmas decorations, and we need to sort the spare bedroom out. That's in from up here. Try to block out some light, but the concrete's going in now. And Neil's levelling it off at the back. I think Neil's taken control of the wheelbarrows now. It's so funny watching him.